Okay, so we're about to actually walk into the M-Line Tower, and this is the lobby. Let's take a look. So inside the lobby, the leasing office is over there, and then concierge is over here. And I just saw the concierge, so she was just here. To the right, looks like some great dog treats. I have to ask for that, maybe for my dog. And then there is hey, nice free Starbucks ready to go here. This is awesome. So great lobby. And then now we're about to see some 20th floor amenities. So let's go see those amenities. We're gonna get on the elevator. And by the way, the parking garage is here. And let's actually take a look inside. So this is where future residents and guests can be over here. And then the garage does continue on to go down there as well. So it does have its own garage, and I just wanted you to see what it looks like. And it's very clean, by the way, for a garage. And it's safe feeling, and it's open. So I like the garage. It's wide. It's very wide to kind of get around here. So that's the garage, and I just wanted you to see it. And the exit, by the way, exit and entrance is over there. Okay, on to the 20th floor.